Hey everyone, welcome to the PD Knob channel. Have you spent hours building knowledge in NotebookLM, but can't really use it in Gemini? Connecting NotebookLM to Gemini makes everything much more efficient. Here's how to do. First, sign in the same account in Gemini and NotebookLM so your information stays synced. The easiest way is to sign into Google Chrome first. Then, both NotebookLM and Gemini will automatically use the same account. Now, there are two ways to connect NotebookLM to Gemini. Method 1 is great for one-off conversations. In Gemini, click the plus icon in the chat box. Then select More Uploads. You'll find Notebooks here. Choose the notebook you want to use. You can even add multiple notebooks at the same time. Just add more notebooks. This notebook will only be used as background context for the current conversation, helping Gemini understand your topic better without affecting other chats. Method 2 is to use Notebook directly in Gemini. In the sidebar, click Notebooks. Here, you'll see all the notebooks you've created in NotebookLM. Select the notebook you want to work with. Now, Gemini will search and answer based on the content inside that notebook, giving you more focused, accurate, and topic-specific responses. This is especially useful for research, studying, project planning, or building a personal knowledge base. If you only need NotebookLM as a reference for a specific chat, use Method 1. If you want all of Gemini's answers to be centered around your notebook, use Method 2. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips like this. That's how to use NotebookLM in Gemini. But even better, you can also bring Gemini conversations back into NotebookLM. This requires using the notebook option from the sidebar. For example, I asked Gemini, provide a detailed overview of cell biology topics and their structure. After Gemini responds, open NotebookLM. Choose the notebook you just used. You'll see that the Gemini conversation has been saved as a new source inside your notebook, allowing you to continuously grow your knowledge base over time. And that's how NotebookLM and Gemini work together. One builds your knowledge, the other helps you use it. Connect both, and you're building a personal AI knowledge system. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.